My name is Silvio Debono. I'm the chairman group. At this moment, I am involved 100% when it comes in the project management of this project. As you know, this is a project that fast track. We're managing to do it in 30 months, and you will do it only if you have the right contractors with you.
I'm the project architect. I was involved since the inception of the project, which goes back since the permit was issued. The performance of the ESC was outstanding because ESC performed very well considering the difficult and challenging timeframes that we had into this project. The site itself is a challenging one. It's a huge site. It's over 200,000 square meters of development.
My name is Kemal Muftuoglu. I am the Chief Operations Officer of Efficient Solutions in Construction. Efficient Solutions in Construction is a company specialized in design, project management, project execution, and finding different solutions in construction industry.
I'm Manuel Cassar, project coordinator with the group for the last 16 years. I am coordinating day-to-day on-site activities. From a site perspective, one of the most valuable contributions was the team's proactive and solution-oriented approach.
I'm Joe Barbara. I'm an architect and civil engineer specializing in structural design. I had a very good experience working with the contractor. From the early stages in the project, the contractor showed a solid understanding of the project, and they were able to interpret our designs correctly.
I am Berat. I am construction manager of DB Hotel project. I am a civil engineer and I have a master degree on health and safety. My role is taking care of this, one of the biggest projects in Malta.
I am very glad that I have this company with us. They're supporting us a lot and we're achieving goals together.
The scope of the company started with a small amount of job, and then we became the main contractor who is holding all the construction jobs in hard rock project.
When you consider the logistics of the site, the challenge is even bigger. So this is where ESC evolved here. They understood exactly how and where they needed to obviously perform. They never said no to each new challenge because obviously every part was a different challenge. But at the end of the day, they put all their energy to be able to perform within the client's remit.
Achieving goals, it comes the quality, and the quality is the most important one. When it comes in health and safety, we evaluate every single thing what we're doing, and I think together with them, we are achieving all the goals.
The biggest challenge in here is in a very short and tight time scale. And I cannot say I manage alone. We manage because I am a very lucky guy. We have an amazing team on the company and we have a very young team. Almost everybody working with me as a staff, less than 30 years old. So over 100 million euros project and we manage with a very young team. It's a successful achievement for us.
The project has its fair share of logistical challenges, but the contractor tackled it in a very proactive way. The help from the contractor was crucial in this project because it gave us the comfort to go through all the logistical problems and solve them easily.
They've been consistent, good quality and responsive communication.
For sure, I've seen a lot of professionalism. So when it comes to understanding the structural designs, understanding details, as you know, the details here were quite complex because we're looking into difficult and major projects. So you need high quality and performant contractors to be able to obviously cope with such details as well. But the information that we send them, it was always understood and it was always communicated very well.
Another key aspect of this project was the tight timeline. With the help and the coordination of the contractor, we managed to deliver the project on time and within the deadlines imposed to us by the contractor. I think without the coordination from the contractor's team, I think it would have been very difficult to deliver the project on time.
We cannot compare anything with the health and safety, because if somebody injures, after that nothing important for us. But after health and safety, of course, we are famous in Malta with our speed and the quality.
I have to say that the team of ESC was very well on the same level as the designers and the other teams. So we got quite an assistance from them rather than wasting time to make sure that the contractor is understanding the difficult details that you give them.
What stood out is the collaboration mindset, working as a partner more than just a contractor, adapting quickly and helping keep the project on track.
The collective effort of our HSE teams, our quality controllers, and also the teams who is working on the time, days and nights, driven us to a success in this project. The completion of this project, I think now it's a proof that Efficient Solutions is ready for all large scale of projects in Malta, following full safety regulations and quality aspects of the clients.
The contractor's team was very professional and very easy to work with. The team was always available to discuss issues, to clarify details, and to come up with solutions when needed.
Less than 1.5 years, we finished this project with a very tight time scale and very young team and zero accident. That is the reason we are very proud of the project.
For sure, another valid point is the way the contractor reacted to our requirements. So there were changes, there were additions, there were difficulties that at times we had to amend a couple of things, and this was something that we've seen ESC as a very reactive contractor to be able to accommodate the client in such difficult decisions. But overall, this goes with the performance of the contractor, and hence ESC performed very well in this regard.
What makes the difference from other contractors is that this contractor always approached us with new ideas, with new efficient ways how to tackle tasks on site, and modern technology how to produce the work on site more efficiently and in a more time feasible way.
I always saw that this company are very professional. So I always look that we'll have a company that's well organized, and I found all these ingredients in this company.
I find the contractor very reliable, very cooperative, and genuinely committed to finish the project in a very professional way.
We are proud to meet the client's expectations in this project.